to our YouTube channel, like and subscribe.
Doon ka dun sa may pwestong yun. Ganun yung kamay mo. Parang ganun.
Flame Tower. Zehidler Shiabani Martyrs Lane, or Alley of Martyrs Azerbaijani, formerly known as the Kirov Presi, is a cemetery and memorial in Baku, Azerbaijan, dedicated to those killed by the Soviet Army during Black January 1991 and in the First Nagorno-Karabakh War of 1988 to 1994.
So guys, natupad na rin yung pangarap natin na mapuntahan natin ito yung flame building.
The shape of the flame towers alludes to the ancient history of fire worship in the region and to the popular etymology of the name Azerbaijan, commonly translated as the land of fire. Formerly known as the Kirov Park, is a cemetery and memorial in Baku. The olive's botanical name, Olea europea, meaning European olive, is a species of small tree or shrub in the family Oleaceae, found traditionally in the Mediterranean basin.
Nagkalat lang pala rito.
Nasa park lang pala.
Mall Baku, Azerbaijan, a world-class landmark for Baku. Located on land reclaimed from the Caspian Sea, Deniz Mall is a 120,000 entertainment, leisure and dining destination over 5 floors. It is Azerbaijan's premier entertainment venue. Baku Boulevard is a promenade established in 1909 which runs parallel to Baku's seafront. Its history goes back more than 100 years to a time when Baku oil barons built their mansions along the Caspian shore and when the seafront was artificially built up inch by inch. Thank you for watching.
Ah, dito.